Once upon a time, a group of monkeys settled down on the outskirts of a forest. The forest had many poisonous trees and a lake that was home to a demon. The monkey chief called a meeting to warn his subjects and said, "My dear monkeys, you have to be wary here. Do not eat any fruit or drink any water without my permission." One day, a group of the monkeys set out in search of firewood and wandered far into the forest. As they went along, they passed a lake. The monkeys were tired and thirsty. One of them decided to have a drink from the lake, but the others yelled, "No, don't drink that water. Have you forgotten our chief's warning?" "Oh dear," replied the monkey. "I am so thirsty that I entirely forgot. Let's wait here for the chief." Soon the chief came by and decided to check if the water was safe to drink. The chief investigated around the lake and found footsteps leading to the lake. I'm sorry, dear monkeys, but this is the demon's lake," he said. The monkeys replied, "Oh no, what do we do? We are very thirsty." The chief said, "Let me think of a way to get water." All of a sudden, the demon jumped out of the lake and screamed, "This is my lake. If anyone enters it, I will eat him up." The chief said, "Okay, demon, then we'll drink the water without entering the lake." "Ha ha! How will you do that?" mocked the demon. Chief said, "Monkeys, cut some bamboo reeds from that tree." The monkeys obeyed, and the chief joined all the reeds together and put one end into the lake. He then stood at the other end and sucked through it with all his might. Soon, water began gushing out, and the monkeys drank their fill. The chief then turned to the angry demon and said, "Oh demon, you might be big and strong, but strength is nothing when compared to brains.